Hey everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to Texan Prepper. September is National Preparedness Month. It's a perfect time for us all to reflect on our emergency preparedness journeys. Whether you're new to prepping or have been prepping for years, it's always good to take stock of what you have, identify where you're strong, and recognize where there might be some gaps. Today, I'm sharing a basic list of essential items that you should aim to have before 2025 to ensure you're ready for any situation. Let's get started. Water is the foundation for any survival plan. It's crucial to have a reliable source of clean water as it's essential for drinking, cooking, and hygiene. It's also important to have a plan for water storage and rotation to keep your water fresh. Make sure you have some sturdy food-grade containers for storing water. Having a few large ones and some smaller portable ones is ideal. A good water filter is vital. Whether it's a portable filter like the Sawyer Mini or a more robust system, ensure it can handle removing bacteria and viruses. Water purification tablets are great to have as a backup for water purification. They're lightweight, easy to store, and can be a lifesaver when you need to treat water quickly. Having a steady food supply is just as important as water. Non-perishable foods are not only easy to store but versatile, ensuring you have energy and nutrients even when fresh supplies are scarce. Canned foods are affordable and have a long shelf life. Stock up on a variety of canned meats, vegetables, and fruits. Non-perishable food items like rice, pasta, and beans are great staples. They're versatile and can be stored for a long time. MREs are convenient and ready to eat without any cooking. They're a bit more expensive, but can be perfect for bug-out situations. Freeze-dried meals are lightweight and have an extended shelf life. They can be quite expensive, but are excellent for long-term storage. In any emergency, staying warm and sheltered is critical. Whether you're dealing with a power outage or an evacuation, these items could save your life. A sturdy tent can provide essential shelter in an emergency. It's a good idea to have one that's easy to set up and weather resistant. Emergency blankets are excellent for retaining body heat. Keep a few in your emergency kit for quick access. A quality sleeping bag will keep you warm in cold conditions. Make sure it's rated for the temperatures you might face. Tarps and bivy sacks are lightweight and versatile. They can be used as an additional layer of shelter or to create a makeshift shelter in various environments. Power and lighting are crucial during emergencies, especially during a power outage. Consider both traditional and alternative sources of energy. A gas generator is great for powering essential appliances. Make sure to store fuel safely and have a backup plan for when fuel runs out. Solar generators are an excellent alternative. They don't require fuel, making them perfect for long-term use and sustainability. Keep several flashlights around your home. LED flashlights are bright and conserve battery life. Lanterns are great for lighting up larger spaces. Opt for battery-powered or rechargeable LED lanterns for the best results. Headlamps are essential for hands-free tasks in low light. They're perfect for fixing things or finding your way in the dark. Always have a stockpile of various batteries. Make sure to store them properly to maximize their lifespan. In addition to power, having extra propane and gasoline for stoves, generators, and other equipment is key to being prepared. Candles and solar-powered garden lights can also provide light when other sources are not available. Being able to cook food and start a fire is fundamental during any emergency. These items will ensure you'll be able to do both. A camp stove allows you to cook without electricity. Make sure you have enough fuel for it. Keep several lighters in your kit. They're reliable and easy to use for starting fires. Waterproof matches are a great backup for lighters. Store them in a waterproof container. Fire starters like kindling or fire starter blocks can make it easier to get a fire going, especially in wet conditions. A portable grill can be an excellent tool for cooking outdoors, especially when a camp stove isn't available. Make sure it's compact and easy to transport. Maintaining hygiene is crucial in preventing illness during emergencies. Don't overlook these basic items. Bar soap or liquid soap is essential for keeping hands clean. Opt for multi-purpose soaps that can be used for hands, dishes, or even clothes. Good oral hygiene is vital. Stock up on toothpaste and extra toothbrushes. Toilet paper might seem trivial, but it's an item that you'll definitely miss if it runs out. Wet wipes are versatile and can be used for personal hygiene when water is scarce. Don't forget to stock up on feminine hygiene products, as these are essential for many women. Bleach can be used for water purification and sanitation. Make sure to store it safely and understand its uses. Having a portable toilet can make a big difference if you're unable to use your regular bathroom facilities. They're especially useful for longer-term emergencies. Medical emergencies can happen at any time, and having the right supplies can make all the difference. It's also helpful to have some basic medical knowledge or consider taking a first aid course. Your first aid kit should include bandages, antiseptics, tweezers, and other basic supplies. Tailor it to your family's needs. I'll provide a link in the description below for a video that goes over a more comprehensive list of medical supplies. Stock up on over-the-counter medications such as pain relievers, antihistamines, and any other medications you use regularly. N95 masks are great for protecting against dust, smoke, and even airborne pathogens. Keep a few on hand. If you or anyone else in your family takes prescription medications, try to have an extra supply stored safely. Having versatile tools on hand can make all the difference during an emergency, enabling you to handle repairs, build shelter, and maintain your supplies. A basic set of tools, including a wrench set and pliers, can help you with repairs and other essential tasks during emergencies. It's also good to have a few other multi-purpose tools to cover a range of needs. A good multi-tool can handle various tasks, from cutting to fixing. It's a must-have in any emergency kit. Make sure you have a couple of manual can openers for all those canned goods. Electric ones won't do you any good in a power outage. Duct tape is incredibly versatile and can be used for repairs, sealing, and even first aid. Heavy-duty garbage bags are great for waste management, waterproofing, and even a makeshift shelter. A physical map of your area is crucial in case digital navigation tools fail. It can help you find routes and landmarks if you're lost or in an unfamiliar location. A compass is a basic but vital tool for navigation in unfamiliar territory. It helps you maintain your direction and find your way back if GPS systems are down. A sturdy pair of gloves is useful for protecting your hands during various tasks, from clearing debris to handling rough materials. Make sure to have both work gloves and insulated gloves depending on your needs and environment. Painter's plastic can be used for sealing windows or creating a barrier in a shelter. It's lightweight and easy to carry. Personal security is an important aspect of preparedness. Here are a few items to help you stay safe. Pepper spray is a non-lethal way to defend yourself. It's small, easy to carry, and effective. A whistle can be used to signal for help or scare off potential threats. It's simple but effective. Consider carrying self-defense items like a tactical pin or a taser. And for those of us who want the ultimate level of protection, consider carrying a pew-pew and training with it often. A basic home security system or even simple cameras can provide an additional layer of security. They can alert you to intruders and help deter criminal activity. Staying informed and connected is vital during any emergency. You'll want to stay updated on weather conditions and emergency alerts, as well as stay connected with others if the grid goes down. NOAA weather radios provide crucial updates on weather conditions and emergency alerts. Make sure you have one that's battery operated or hand crank. Walkie-talkies are great for short-range communication with family or neighbors. They're especially useful when phone lines are down. Ham radios can be invaluable for long-range communication. They require a license to operate, but they're a great tool for serious preppers. In an emergency, having quick access to important documents and cash can be crucial. Make sure they're stored safely and can be easily accessed. It's also helpful to have some books for knowledge and guidance. Have photocopies of IDs for everyone in your family. Store them in a waterproof bag. Keep copies of all important insurance policies. They're crucial if you need to file claims after a disaster. Write down emergency contacts and keep them in your kit. Don't rely solely on your phone. In an emergency, ATMs and card machines might not work. Having cash in small denominations is essential for buying supplies and services. Store digital copies of important documents in a secure, encrypted format. This ensures you have access to them even if physical copies are lost. Having some books, such as the Survival Medicine Handbook and SAS Survival Guide, can provide valuable information when you need it most. Appropriate clothing can protect you from the elements and keep you comfortable in emergencies. Make sure to include relevant clothing depending on your region. Have durable, weather-appropriate clothing. Layers are your friend in changing conditions. Good boots or shoes are vital for mobility and protection. Make sure they're comfortable and well broken in. Pack extra socks and underwear. These small items can greatly improve your comfort and hygiene. While it might seem trivial, maintaining morale during an emergency is important. A few simple items can really help keep your spirits up during these stressful times. A deck of playing cards can provide endless entertainment and help pass the time. Pack a few good books or even a small e-reader with a solar charger. They're great for distraction and learning. Small board games or puzzles can be a great way to keep busy and maintain a sense of normalcy. Having a few comfort items like snacks or photos of loved ones can help maintain morale and provide a sense of normalcy during stressful times. Building a strong community is a key part of preparedness. Being connected with friends, neighbors, and local organizations can make a significant difference in emergencies. Know your neighbors and build a network of trust. They can be invaluable in times of crisis, whether for sharing resources or providing support. Get involved with local groups like neighborhood watches or community preparedness groups. These connections can provide resources and support when needed. Online forums and groups, such as our Texan prepper community, are great for sharing tips, advice, and staying informed. They can offer a sense of camaraderie and help you feel less isolated in your preparedness journey. Use this National Preparedness Month to reflect on your emergency preparedness journey. Remember, prepping is a lifestyle that evolves over time. Take this opportunity to assess your current preparations, identify gaps, and make improvements where necessary. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned prepper, there's always room to learn and grow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who could benefit. If you're not subscribed, join our growing community by hitting that red subscribe button for weekly tips on how to stay prepared. Thank you so much for watching Texan Prepper. Stay safe, keep prepping, and I'll see you in the next video.